Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to lock notification bar in lock screen in this device. So if you go to the lock screen, if you swipe down, you can see the notification bar, right? So let me show you how to lock the notification bar on the lock screen. Simply go to settings, tap on lock screen. Then here you can see the option quick settings. So that means swipe down on lock screen to view the quick settings. Turn off this option. If you go to the lock screen, if you swipe down, you can see nothing will happen. Okay, and also go to lock screen, tap on privacy and select the option don't show notification at all. Then again go to the lock screen. If you swipe down, you can see the notification bar is locked on the lock screen in this device. So simply in this way we can lock the notification bar on the lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.